Hi guys! Welcome back to DJ Boutique Creative Corner. Today, we're making a beautiful garland out of satin ribbon. It's fun and so easy to create. Let's get started. I prepared the petals early, but I will show you exactly how to do it. We will be using satin ribbon in 2.5 cm wide and 8 cm long. Heat seal the ribbon ends to keep them from fraying. So this is our petal, and we'll need a total of 16 pieces. I'm using 2 shades of blue, but you can get creative with any colors you like. Let's get started with assembling our garland. For the base, I'm using a round cardboard, size around 5.5 cm in diameter. Now, let's start gluing our petals together. I prepared this as our centerpiece. I printed it out beforehand. For the necklace, we will be using satin ribbon in 2.5 cm wide and 105 cm long. I'm measuring 8 cm here. This will be our ribbon tail. I have here a round felt fabric and will be attaching this at the back. Cut the ribbon ends into a V shape. Heat seal. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
A DJ Baltic dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft